Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Python 3, 8+, and creating a virtualenv so dependencies stay clean. Once done, grab your Elevenlabs API key and export it as Elevenlabs API KEY to avoid hardcoding. Next, install the client library with pip, or choose requests if you prefer raw HTTP. This gives you control over headers and payloads. Make sure you test a quick import in REPL to verify the package loads and the environment variable resolves before moving on. You will authenticate by loading the Elevenlabs API KEY from the environment and placing it into an authorization header. This keeps secrets out of code. Then, pick your voice ID and craft the text payload, including optional voice settings like stability and similarity boost. Use post to /v1 /text-to-speech with JSON and accept audio/WAV, or call the client library's synthesize method to produce audio. Once you send the request, stream or write the response bytes to a file so you can play and verify output. You end by writing the returned audio bytes to disk in binary mode and confirming the file plays back. If you receive a 400 one, check the API key and its permissions. For rate limits, implement exponential backoff and retries. Make sure to inspect response status codes and error messages and log request payloads and headers without secrets to isolate issues. If synthesis sounds off, test with shorter text or a different voice ID to narrow whether the problem is payload, voice, or API behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.